Okay, everybody, it's going to be a fun time because what I'm doing is another leftover recipe with some Papa smoked brisket. Now, what makes it so fun with these big meats is that, well, you start out when you're cooking, you get frustrated. What do I do when I'm through eating the brisket the first night? Well, I love actually the leftovers, just like Thanksgiving. I like it better. So we're going to make some sandwiches in the griddle, Twin Eagles Grill. So let's go through the team, the players. Like we said, we have a beautiful Papa brisket. Got some beautiful French rolls, kind of batards. We have some nice butter. We have the au jus. We have a little bowl that makes up our horseradish. We're going to mix our horseradish with some crema. And don't tell anybody. I'm putting some wasabi in it too. Wasabi! Here we go. So we're going to have hot sandwiches. We'll get ready to start building what we need to build here, which will be the meat. Fun, oh fun. Got some point and flat, some more point and flat. Start slicing. Now, a little tip here. When you're slicing, cold is better. You can get them thinner. Okay, look at these are going to get really good. Put this aside. Let's see what this one says. Woo. Okay. I think we're there. Let me just clean up some of these pieces here. Okay, now we're going to set this aside and go to the griddle with it in just a second. Okay, now it's time for the bread. Now we're going to cook these on the griddle. We're going to toast them on the griddle. So we're just going to open them a little bit. And we're going to put a little weight on these too. Now you're going to love what I do here. I'm going to take the melted butter and I'm basting it on without a care in the world for my cholesterol or yours or my guests. There's something about buttered bread that's toasted on this griddle that you'll thank me for later, and when you go to the doctor, just lie. Look at that. Now, everyone wonders, Papa, when you do it on the direct flame, you never put butter on it. But when you use the griddle, you butter it first. And I think of the fire like a toaster. You wouldn't butter it and then put it in the toaster. But if you put it on a griddle or a pan, you absolutely would butter it first. So that's what we're doing here. So we're going to make 3 colossal sandwiches. Hopefully nobody will have any complaints. You guys will have something to show for your brisket leftover. And meanwhile, I make 3 friends because you guys know I don't eat my own food. Let's make our horseradish sauce. Let's just put it very measured carefully. You know how I do. Get about 2 tablespoons, tablespoon and a half of mayonnaise. Make it 2. How do I know? I'm a professional. You know, we're going to come in here with the crema, the Mexican sour cream. A little more than that, maybe 3 tablespoons. And now, if that's crazy enough, let's start laying this hot stuff in here. I'm going to go a big tablespoon of horseradish. Now, the one good thing with this, you taste it as you go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It wasn't big enough for me. I'm Big Papa. Let's go in here now. 5, 4, 3, 2. It's 2.5 tablespoons. But now here we go. The serious stuff. This is taking it to an international sandwich. This is not toothpaste unless you hate the person. We're going to take some of our wasabi. Wasabi. Oh. I want everyone to go like this when they had the sandwich. I want the tender meat, the beautiful bread, and then I want the horseradish and wasabi to hit them like. So here we go. We're so close. There we go. I did about a teaspoon of wasabi. Got a half used toothpaste where you at. Oh, it's starting to pick up the green. Just tell your friends it's avocado. Perfect. Okay, let's make these. I have a 2-zone grilling thing here. I have about 250 on this side because I'm going to use it to warm, 350 to toast. Let's hit it with some Wagyu spray. A little tallow spray here. Thank you, Chicago Packing. Let's start on this side. We're getting our brisket going. Just going to reheat it. A couple of the thick ones are going to take a little longer than others. One of our au jus, which we're going to heat right here. But in the meantime, I'm just going to do these little rehydrating with the au jus from the cooking. Look at this. Ooh. These are just seasoned, the brisket, with Big Papa Competition Steak and Brisket. Just give them a couple minutes on this side. I'm going to take my warming boxes. Get the au jus over here. Let's start toasting some buns. Okay. You can tell how tender it is. So let's pull these off. Oh, look at that. Is that toasted to your perfection? Let's go make some sandwiches. Let's assemble these bad boys. A little mayo. A little horseradish. Wasabi. Woo-hoo! Somebody's going to complain. Let's try something different with this one. We'll clean those plates up.